What's going on? We right here at ABBS, that's Atlanta Barber and Beauty Supply, where the new Barber Scent Sandalwood beard combs are going to be on display. We're going to head in here and bless the squad with some Barber Scents merch. So let's go, follow me. Hey, what's going on, love? Awesome. I just caught the other young lady. I got her a hat, and I want to bring you guys a shirt. I know you wear hats a lot too, so if you want the hat, you can just have the hat. Yeah, go for it. You get first dibs. ABBS was initially on Mitchell Street, which is right around the corner from my old barber school, CEI. So a part of my tour when I went to CEI the first day, we had to come to ABBS first. And this is where we got all of our barber supply stuff for our kits. So they've been around, I believe, since 1946, if I'm not mistaken. So it's one of the oldest barber supply stores. A lot of barbers in the city of Atlanta have worked for this place. It's an honor to actually be still coming here to shop and also distributing one of my products in here, which is the Barber Scents Sandalwood beard comb. And hopefully more products to come. So stay tuned, keep rocking with me, follow me at Barber Scents on Instagram, also on YouTube, Barber Scents, LinkedIn, Barber Scents, and that's it, straight up. Peace.